repetition is the key to early literacy. First, let's focus on sight words. I, S-E-E-C, S-E-E-C. Next, a. So now we are going to read the sentences again and again to remember these words, because repeated pattern builds reading fluency and it's very helpful for beginners. So let's read. I see a dog. I see a dog. Next line. I see a cat. I see a cat. Next. I see a fish. I see a fish. Next line. I see a hat. I see a hat. Next, I see a ball. Ball. I see a ball. These sentences are easy for young learners to read again and again. This repetition helps them learn new words, improve reading fluency, build confidence, and develop strong basic literacy skills. So simple sentences make reading comfortable and fun, and they support brain development too. So keep practicing reading every day and become a good fluent reader. Follow for more important phonics tips and fun learning tricks. So see you in the next class. Bye-bye.